Did a little video on this EF11. I could be getting wrong, but this little EF no lockback knife. People have concerns about how easily it opens and closed, whether or not it's going to pop open in your pocket. Well, you really got to whip it to get it moving. Not flying open from dropping it. I don't think this little guy is going to flop open on you. If it does, shit happens. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. But I don't think it's likely. At least not an issue to happen all the time.